Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And the last video we have seen the how to install a WordPress and how to set up in a local host, and our setup is now ready. So yeah, I'm sorry for I'm not showing you how to create a post and how to create a page in a WordPress and how to install a theme, because my designing is not good. So I'm going to show you only how to develop a WordPress, means how to develop it, how to control it from a backend. For example, I have created some installing a theme and the front page like this, but it is not good. But if you are a good designer, then you can make it good. But my concept to creating a video is if you want to add a new HTML template with your WordPress, so how can you do? For example, I have a HTML template is in my desktop. This is HTML index.html and this is in my desktop. So I want to use this template in my WordPress, so how can I do? So that is I am going to show you how to add your sample template to WordPress. This is a sign up template, and in this video I will show you how to insert your data to your database. For example, I have a local host PHP my admin. This is my PHP my admin and this is my WordPress database, and here is WordPress default tables. So I can create a new table here and insert my form data to in my table. So how can I do that? So if you want to do, then first you need to create a template for that. So how you can create a template? Go to your WordPress location, in your location where your server folder. For Windows you can use the htdocs folder. This is WP content and themes, and this is the theme that I am using. So you need to create a file in here. So for example, I just copy header file and paste here and rename the file name. For example, signup.php and rename, and open this folder, open this file in text editor and copy, select all and delete everything from the file, because we are going to create a new for copy our HTML in this template. So WordPress is going through the pattern. So it's a WordPress rule to create a template, that is start PHP here. Then have you guys heard about the command line? So the command line is, you can multi command lines, star star, this is our multi command lines, enter, and here you write the template name and semicolon, and the template name is sign up form. In my case, you can put your name, anything, sign up form. Okay, so this is our sign up form. So now our template is created for using, and you can add many things here, like author, like template name, like theme name. So that is depending on you, what are you doing. So our template is created, and now I'm going to write here for testing hello. If I see in the WordPress template hello, that's mean our template is working. So now we are going to back our panel and pages and create a new page, and I'm going to put the name is sign up, and select a page template. You can see, if you don't see this, go to the setting, and here is the page attributes and templates. So here is our sign up form that we created in here. If you see the sign up form, and the sign up form is here. If you change the name of this, then you can see the changes is happening there. For example, I give the name is sign up only and refresh the page, reload, I'm sorry for this taking a time. Okay, so now restore the backup, sign up form, and you can see this name is changed. It's sign up now. So you can select this and publish. So going to the view page, and you can see the hello is printed here. So you can open your HTML, you can write your HTML here, everything, your PHP, everything you want, and you can see the location of the page is WordPress index.php sign up. The index.php is you can hide it from htaccess. If you don't know how to hide it from the htaccess, then you can comment the below. I will make a video for it, for htaccess, and otherwise I will give you the good suggestion for to hide to how to write an htaccess file for creating a good WordPress website. So now we are open our HTML file in editor, open with the another application and editor. So I'm going to copy my whole codes from here. This is my CSS, and this is my form. So copy, select all, and paste here. Now save, and you can see there's some changes here. So the sign up form is created in our WordPress, attached with our WordPress. So you can write your WordPress query. I will give you a suggestion: never use SQL query like MySQL, select MySQL, insert into database MySQL, because WordPress is already create a query for it, and the query name is WPDB, $WPDB. So you can make it a global, and now you can use in your entire page this query. So how to use this query, because we don't have a access of WordPress, because we are not including any file here. So first there is a two way to including the load to file. So first is if you are using the header. So there is a WordPress function get header. So it's mean you can use a header and also the WordPress query. So your header is calling and the sign up form is in your bottom, and it is taking some style of this. So now you can use the WPDB query here. But if you don't want a header on this page, then what will you do? So now I'm removing the header section, so I cannot use this query. But how can I use this query? I want to use this query, so let me give you a suggestion for it. So you can the theme is jet black education, and our template is here. So we are going to one folder back, then one folder back, then one folder back, and load load.php. Now I'm copy this file name, and it's a 3 folder back, include. If it's not good, it will give you a error for us. wp load.php. Now if it is not right, then it will give a error, and if it is good, then it will not give an error. So now our load file is attached, and we can use the WPDB query. So we are going to the form submission for here. So I'm going to take a action is has in same page, and method is equal to post, and the button is submit, and type is submit, and name is equal to submit. And when the button is pressed, then what's print are the request underscore request. Now see what happened, the array. And when we submit a form, then what? I don't know why it is slow in my localhost. So for example, the email is anything, and sign up. So we have get the sum requested from here. So we can use this creating our page. For example, I write here if is set $_request submit, then it will be work, otherwise not. So now we are we have a three input type, so we are going to username, user is equal to this, and for email is equal to this, and for password equal to this. Okay, so we can copy paste from here. Uname, user is equal to uname, and mail is equal to mail, and psw is equal to psw. And I am not setting out password has here, because we are going to quickly show you how does insert the query. So I am going to create native new table here, user data. First is id, second is email user, third is email, and fourth is pass. So you can route the so you can write here the as you want, and I'm just giving you the example here. So I'm not writing the good code here, it's a dirty code. You can say this is a dirty code, and save. So what's my table name? My table name is user data. So I copy from here and go back, and now I'm writing here wp-db, and this you need to add here query, and write the under query your SQL, insert into user data, set user is equal to double inverted comma. Okay, so it will be another, because I use I remove the single invited because I'm confused with this bracket, so I'm using this. Email to your email, because this is a PHP pattern, you cannot use the same commas under same the password. and now save your query and refresh the page, continue. And now you can see your data is submitted here. The username is root and the email is this and the password is this. Now if you are going to again Shubham and email is shubham@gmail.com and password is anything Shubham, and now save. Then you can see the WordPress is ignore all shubham@gmail.com and Shubham. Okay, so this is how to insert your query in database. So this is wpdb slash greater than sign and query. And if you want to get your data from the database, this is another query, wpdb slash and greater than sign and get results, and select star from user underscore data and break it, and now you can use this here, result is equal to, and now print the result. So I print our results. Now see, the all result will in array, the all result will becomes in array. So you can see the result is comes in array, and you can sorting by as you want. So if you want to show in this page another page, so you can see this is a sample of how to create an your own custom HTML page, and how to insert your data in database, and how to get a data from the database. Now I will give this link, give this file in my description box in my Git repository. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe it and comment, and if you have any question then you can comment, and thanks.